Hey guys, Jack here. There is a big snowstorm coming tonight, but before the storm came out, went and explored an area that I had heard from my parents that there is a bunch of metal stuff at, and I've been pulling out some medicine bottles, nothing really on them. There's a broken Homer, New York milk bottle. I just pulled out this Dr. Ellis's Wavist waving fluid. Dip the comb in the bottle. Pretty cool. I'll take it. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, continuing to dig, and I've got an insulator in the hole. It is wood altatum. Awesome. That is really cool. Sweet. I feel like that's a color I don't have. That's nice. Nice. Okay. Keep digging. I'll let you guys know. Cool. Hey guys, I am here a couple weeks later, maybe just 1 week I think. I'm at a new dump that I found earlier in the winter and couldn't dig, that had this beautiful broken local med that's like one of one known, but it was broken. I just did some digging and pulled out a Coke bottle. It's from Syracuse. Sweet. It's just a Pat D, probably 30s. I don't see the date code anywhere. Yeah, I'm not sure where the date code is, but I'll figure it out and let you know, I'm assuming in the wrap up, but that is sweet. I'll let you know when I find something else. Hey everyone, just thought this was cool, so I thought I'd show it. It's a screw cap, says Absorbidine on the bottle, but then there's part of a paper label left. So that's pretty neat. I don't know what specifically it was for, but there was definitely a lot of paper label on it. I'm not gonna keep it, but just thought that was cool. Where's it from? I'm not sure. But neat. Oh, I also found this something nursing bottle, easily cleaned and hygienic. It's got measurements on it. I thought that was neat. I don't know if I'll take it, but yeah. Cool. I thought you guys would find this interesting. I just found a secret waterfall. Just somehow stumbled upon it. I wish I could get a better angle without going all the way down there, but that's about the best I can do. That's pretty cool. Let me come up here. This is like completely in the middle of the woods, so no one knows about this, probably except for like the landowners. I can't get a great view, but that is pretty tall. Maybe over here. No. Pine trees are in the way. That's really cool though. That is really neat. I don't know how I didn't know about this. Look at that. Check this out. That is pretty cool. Oop. That is really neat. I don't want to get much closer, but that's pretty cool.